Hi there, this video is next week's very extreme pathological shower weather forecast UK 24. Like video, press the thumbs up to the side screen right now. The date today is 30th of January, Tuesday evening, guys, 24 across UK right now. The place to interest stay with the global heat temperature, the west coast of South America, east and central and western part, upper global heat temperature, national treasures waters. We'll talk about the upper global heat temperature across the North Pacific Ocean today. We'll talk about the upper global heat temperature across the North Atlantic, upper global heat temperature, goes to Africa, upper global heat temperature, the Gulf of Mexico, upper global heat temperature. It's going to guys. Wow, fascinating, guys. National terrestrial waters, guys. Talking about the Great Barrier Reef, upper global heat temperature around here, above average. It's bleaching the Great Barrier Reef across the northeast part of Australia. It's been very hot this summer, over 40 Celsius is bad news, guys. It's been bleached, but there is a plus side to it. You could sink a load of old cargo vessels or old warships in the northeast and parts of Australia and create a natural barrier reef, but it'll cost a lot of capital and a lot of money and a lot of explosives to do that. So it's probably not worth it. It's probably more than it's worth. And climate change is real. It's not a myth. If you don't believe in it, well, that's your choice. If you think the sun's getting closer to the planet Earth, that's your opinion. You could be wrong. The only way to know about it is ask NASA and look at NASA's information. And NASA has all its based information about what's going on with the sun and the orbits of the planets. And that's my advice to you. And yes, climate change is definitely real, in my opinion. We can't deny it with the ice caps melting the North Pole and the South Pole. Especially with this being 3/4 of this year being super El Nino affecting the Northern Hemisphere this winter, being very stormy, very cold across the Northern Hemisphere. And the other thing you've got to factor in is the Gulf Stream is slowing down as well. So it's all going to play for all the upper global systems today. This is the American dwell GFS model. I'm talking about, well, the 4th of February, talking about very mild air, kind of southwesterly, westerly winds there. Dry across south, very unsettled across the northwestern parts of the UK. It might be storms across the northwestern UK as we get towards this part of the UK. Point of weather forecast GFS 12th of 8th of February, to cold northeasterly winds, very cold snap coming in there. Then it gets very unsettled, then southwesterly winds quite mild and unsettled, then unsettled and wet and horrible when you get to that point. 14th of February, might have a main storm across the UK potentially, might be a main storm, you name it, Caroline or whatever it's called. Kirsten, I probably pronounced the name wrong. And yeah, it's going to be very unsettled, guys. You can see that, guys, the American control of the FS more. And this is the upper air temperature across Woking Town locally. And down here, talking about the red line being the 30 upper air temperature, while the temperature is going. And you're saying it's going to literally be above it, the upper air temperature, it's where the white line is, above the 30 average line. It does go below it towards the end, well, towards the middle part of February potentially. And the operation run, that's that one, and the green run there, are both going for control run, going for very cold weather towards the middle part of February, potentially across Woking Town locally. Down here we're talking about rainfall spikes, some mostly showers, some might be heavy bells of thundery rain, well, thundery showers, maybe some rainstorm potentially. And this is the ECQBO across the, you name it, North Pole, and whatever's going on across the world globally. And talking about a skiing ECQBO phase at the moment, we should be getting weather from the east, but because of super El Nino, it's out driving it, so it's overdriving it. So this is one main weather driver. It's been overtaken by the Super El Nino. So this has not been such an effect for ECQBO this winter because it's Super El Nino. Unfortunately, that's what the culprit is. But it's definitely ECQBO. And we have some cold weather from the east occasionally this winter. We have some snow some time ago this month across the UK, across the southeastern regions. And this is a displacement, guys. Wow, fascinating national. You name it, that displacement going across the HPA atmosphere. Talking about here, guys, there's displacement going on. It's not necessary, but it's definitely displacement. We have got a chance of us getting very cold weather later on this coming February into March 24 across the UK, and March, April 2024 spring, guys. I wouldn't be surprised. This is my weather forecast. Talking about very chilly weather here, potentially in the future, southwesterly winds. Quite cool. We'll see what's going on present-wise. Tomorrow will be quite chilly. Not that warm, quite mild. I had it on Friday, maybe 13, 14 Celsius. You can see what's going on there, guys. The weather's been pretty wild and quite finely thunderable and changeable because Woking Town locally and unsettled next week. And this is the forecast upper air temperature of the future. American control GFS, and we can see the cold air from there. And this is a massive snow event, potentially on the 14th to 15th February across the UK, potentially. I'm not joking. Yes, I'm not joking. We might have a major snow event across the UK. This is subject to change as usual. Don't get surprised with the 12 GFS, and it might change. And this is the Arctic oscillation. And this is going negative delta. So you've got high pressure over, you name it, Greenland, and you've got low pressure over the UK, which is going slightly negative, but the North Atlantic Ocean is not to do with it. There is a displacement, there is a disconnect between 30 HPA and 10 HPA across the stratosphere, across the North Pole. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, touch on the video. Bye.